It's time to take the Solar System Stroll along the Chattahoochee Riverwalk.
Hello, my name is Peter Bowden from Visit Columbus, GA, and you have arrived at the planet Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet out from the Sun and our second gas giant planet. If you were to remove all the masses of the Sun and Jupiter, most of all of the solar system's remaining mass is contained within Saturn. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gigantic world made mostly of hydrogen and helium, but it is a very low density. In fact, if there was a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float in it because its density is lower than that of water. Saturn is about 10 times further from the Sun than where we are right now, and it takes almost 30 years to orbit the Sun just once. Though it is that far away, Saturn is a beautiful sight in almost any telescope because of its gigantic ring system. Though all the gas giant planets have rings, Saturn's rings are the largest and easily visible. These rings are made up of millions of orbiting rocks, some the size of houses, but most are the size of pebbles. These rocks are covered with ice and makes them very reflective and very visible. The rings are very wide side to side, but extremely thin in the vertical direction. The rings stretch out over 7,000 times the diameter of Saturn, a distance that would reach from the Earth to our moon, and yet they are typically only about 30 feet in vertical height. When Saturn and Earth align where the rings can be viewed on its edge, they disappear from sight for Earth dwellers because they are so thin. Saturn has at least 82 moons, but the largest of these moons is Titan. Titan is a very interesting world because it has hydrocarbon oceans and could even be a potential location for life.
To continue your tour of the solar system, proceed south to Uranus or north for Jupiter. The Solar System Stroll is presented by Columbus State University's Coca-Cola Space Science Center and the Columbus Parks and Recreation Department.